In order to block websites on iPhone 16e, we need to go to Settings. Then in the settings, we need to choose Screen Time. Now over here, find and go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. We need to enable Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then go to App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And then over here, go to Web Content. We need to select Limit Adult Websites, and then we can go over here where we have Never Allow. We can add the website address that we want to block. So let's say I'm gonna enter the apple.com website, press done, and once it is here, let's see if it works. So I'm gonna open the browser, I'm gonna try to refresh, and there we go, the app just closed itself. And if I reopen it, you can see the information that I cannot browse this page because it is restricted. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!